G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, warm jigger to another rip roaring episode. So we've got up to the posistruts. Posistruts being a joist system, deep joist system between the ground floor and the first floor. We can also use man-made LVL or a glue lam beam. Or you can also just use an old school natural timber system that's just deep enough. Whatever we use, what we need to ensure is that the tops of these are flat all the way across. If they're flat all the way across, then we can lay our floorboards or our sheeting, particle board floor sheeting over the top of all of the joist system, and we can ensure then that our floor then upstairs will be completely flat. So as we lay our joist system, whether it be an LVL, a GL, a posistrut, a natural timber, then what we need to do is level those off and flatten them so that everything runs nice and Mickey Mouse, grouse, over the whole thing. So today what we're going to do is look at a video of how we go about straightening the posistruts on our green build. It's the same kind of principles and method that we'd use on a floor joist if we were just doing a ground floor. And it takes a little bit of time and care and know-how to get it just A1 smack on. If you've got any questions or queries about any of that, please flick it over and I'll answer it for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel old. See you in the suit.